What's up, everybody? It's BZ here, and today we're going to be using Photoshop's AI generation, um, powered by Firefly, to create or recreate iconic anime scenes. So I have one special right now. I already started it to get a feel of how to do this, but I already started it. I'm gonna flip through the images that I've already generated. Let's see if you guys can guess what anime it is or what scene it is. And then once I get to the end, I'm gonna continue and start trying to master it so I could actually get as close to the source image as possible. Um, I at least do my best as I can to. So I'm gonna flip through the variations right now, and then once I get done flipping through the variations, I will then start adding more prompt so that way we can actually see if we can get that image as close as possible. Obviously, it's not gonna be one to one, but as close to possible to the source image for the iconic anime scene. All right, here we go. So I already started, right? I already started doing this, so I do have my variation. So I'm gonna go backwards. So 12, that's the first one I started, and then all the way down to 1 is going to be the newest variation that has been created. So let's go through and let me know if you just comment down below if you do know what anime this is or what scene it is. It is a pretty iconic scene in the anime, and they did come out really nice. A lot of these came out really nice and pretty cool. Like some of them, it's really cool. Cool artwork. Like it's really cool the way it came out. That one looks sick too. This one kind of reminds me of. It reminds me of an anime, maybe Naruto, but I'm not sure. This one looks sick. And then this one's badass. This is the current one. This is the last one that I generated, and then I was like, all right, let me start filming before I actually like get too far into this. So right now, comment down below who you think this is or what anime you think it's from, what scene you think it is, and I'm gonna continue adding to this script, to this prompt, to see if I could get it closer um, to source material. I think what that one line I just added might mess up the image. So I'm gonna probably take it out and reword it. What I want is front facing, so facing us, facing the viewer, facing you guys, right? Okay, perfect. Actually, that is pretty freaking close. Hold on, that is amazing right there. Okay. Did I skip one? Oh, okay, I did. I skipped one. All right, so the number one, that is pretty freaking close. If you guys have seen the anime, this one right here, you guys could probably get the guess on. You guys could probably get the guess on this one right here. Um if you haven't already. But that one is so accurate right there. Oh my gosh. That got my blood racing. All right. All right, so honestly, after messing around with this for about 30 minutes, I've come to the conclusion that the best piece of work we found right when I turned on the camera, right when I turned on my software, right when I started recording. That's when we actually got our best image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip through each of the images that it generated afterwards, and I'm going to share the actual image of what this was inspired by, what it was trying to recreate. And you guys can leave down in the comments below, did it do a good job on recreating the image or did it not? I'm going to do this with a few more anime. I'm going to do this with actually probably a lot more. I'm going to try to get a few more scenes where I could actually, put up something that's recognizable and see if AI can recreate that. So again, leave a like if you enjoyed, dislike if you didn't, comment down below letting me know how you felt about this video. If you do want to see more content like this, let me know. I will enjoy making more content like this 100%. AI is really fun to work with. There's a lot that I can do in this space, and even on thumbnails and stuff like that, there's little things like you could like so many little things that you could do, and I could get into it in another video. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the future.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap.